Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Perkenalkan, kami salah satu kelompok dari kelas 10A3 yang beranggotakan
Saya Adriani Maksudina Yazanjani, absen 1.
saya Congsi Mahida Sari, absen 8.
Saya Indek Bramudita, absen 17.
Saya Melia Antasari, absen 21.
Saya Nisrina Chandra Dewi, absen 27. Saya Sabina Ekawayu Fitria, absen 21. Di sini kami membuat produk pangan hewani.
Selamat menonton.
Check it out!
Your morning eyes, I could stare like watching stars. I could walk you by and I'll tell without a thought. You'd be mine, would you mind if I took your hand tonight? No, you're all that I want inside. I imagine we fell in love on that under moonlight skies with you. I think I'll picture us here with the waves, the ocean's colors on your face. I'll leave my heart with your air, so let me fly with you. Will you be forever with me? My love will always stay by you. I'll keep it safe, so don't you worry a thing. I'll tell you I love you more. It's stuck with you forever, so promise you won't let it go. I'll trust the universe will always bring me to you. I imagine we fell in love on that wonder.
Saya Melia Ratnasari, absen 9. Saya Indah di Bramudita, absen 7 bulan. Saya Melia Ratnasari, absen 9.